Hey guys, what's up? It's Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how much I made in one day detailing cars with my teammate, or with my new employee.
Hey Tony, how was your day today?
It was there. It was a wild one today. It was all right. I'll give it like, let's say like a C-, C+. Just the weather wasn't with us today.
What was the hardest part of today?
Definitely the weather, the winds. It was really annoying. Made us take a bit longer on a lot of the details. And then we had one cancellation. Couldn't fill in the other spots. We got a couple issues just with the weather.
And how did you deal with those issues?
For the most part, if you guys check out our other videos, you'll be able to see. I think in the inside, we would like close the door, try to vacuum everything, and we would have to like double wipe down everything. So we'd like do the job, like the service at once, and then right before the customer came out to like inspect and whatnot, we would wipe it down again just to make sure that it wasn't like all over, like really dusty. But yeah, the winds were strong today. It was really annoying, and especially like in the high deserts, a lot of dirt and whatnot. But yeah.
So Tony, how much did you make today?
Our total revenue for today was $405.
That's including expenses?
No, so that was 4 vehicles. We did a maintenance client in the morning, a Camry TRD, and then we did a work truck maintenance detail as well, and then we did a Tacoma or a Tundra. That was a mini detail, and then we did a Hellcat with a maintenance detail as well. So that was 405 total revenue, and then so after expenses, we're probably gonna do like $100 in gas. So minus 100, that's 305 after gas. I have to pay my employee 180 for the day. So that's 125, and then I paid about like $30 for food today. So that leaves me with like $95 for today. I don't think I have to pay anything else today. So yeah, that's like, I guess you can say like my profit, and that's not even really including like the products we wasted and whatnot. Oh, I gotta fill up on water. That's like -10. So like 85. I almost forgot about the water. You know, we gotta get the spot free water.
Yeah.
So yeah, $85 for today. It's now 5:30, but we actually probably got done about, let's see, we got done about like 3:30 or like 4-ish, 4 p.m. So we started at 7 and we got done at 4. Details took a bit longer than expected because it was really windy, and it was my first day with Joseph, so we had to go over a few like things to get like our
Hello?
yeah, like I guess our workflow going. But yeah, $85 for me. That's what I'm taking home basically. After paying the employee, paying for the gas, paying for water, that's what I'm leaving with.
So Tony, how many hours did you work time?
Today, we did like 6.5 hours of actual like detailing work on the vehicles, and then we did about like 2-ish. Well, actually, if we count like driving hours, we did like about 4 hours of driving time, because we still got to count the hour that it took to get up here, and then the driving that we did around this town, and then another hour to get back down. So it's roughly about like 4-ish hours of driving. So it's gonna be like a 10-ish hour type of like day.
10-hour day.
And I made like 85 for me, so that's like $8.50 roughly per hour.
Yeah. And what about how's the gas treating you with the van?
Not so great. I filled up so today's Monday, and I filled up on Saturday night. I drove to LA yesterday and then drove back, and that was like half a tank, and that was like 3/4 of my tank, and then I drove up here, and that's pretty much like I'm on empty now basically, and so I gotta fill up here before I go back down, and then it's gonna be like 1/4 of a tank going back down. So yeah, it's gonna be, it's all right. It just depends like how far you're going. The van's not that great on gas though, but I'm waiting for Tesla to make a cargo van. So like, come on Tesla, hurry up, or any electric company to make a cargo van. I'll get one. I'll put that on. I'll order one ASAP.
Tony, now that there's more sunlight and you have a new team member employee, are you going to try to book even more? details to make more money in a day?
It really depends on the day, the services, and Joseph. I would have to ask him and like see if he's comfortable with that, and then and so it just depends. But at the same time, I'm trying not to like stay too late out unless it's like worth it. So like I'm feeling like if it's gonna be mini details and stuff, I don't want to be out here past like 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. But if they're booking like bigger packages in that are making more worth our time, then we'll probably stay a bit later out just to get those bigger packages done. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Just we'll be able to fit in like mini details and maintenances and whatnot from like 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. around there. But like after 5 p.m. it's basically like our cutoff time for like basics. And then if someone wanted to get their car done after 5 p.m. or whatnot, it'd be like I'd probably charge like a premium fee or something, just because it's not really worth our free time to be doing these basics.
Yeah. So do you plan to advertise those higher price packages?
Now that I have Joseph, I actually plan to advertise all my packages, like all of them, like even the mini details and stuff, because it's a lot like less of a hassle having him with me. We're able to knock them out in a good amount of time. Like roughly right now, we're able to do it like in like an hour to an hour and 30, depending on the size of the vehicle. And that's like having a few things like the wind messing us up, and then it's our first day together, so we don't really have like a system down yet. But I feel like once we get our system down and like there's no weather messing up, we'd probably be able to get vehicles done in 30 minutes to like an hour and 15, just depending on size, condition, and whatnot. So like mini diesels wouldn't be as much of a hassle. But of course, you know, the bigger packages always help out a lot more and make more money per time. All right, well there you guys have it. That's how much we were able to make in one day detailing cars. So it's my team member and after expenses. So let me know in the comments down below how much you guys make in one day detailing cars. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.